10 out of 10. Okay, that is my favorite moisturizer. What is going on, cousins and wasn't, saints and ain'ts? Let's do a little empties. I have been keeping the products that I have been running out of to show you, to give a review on them, and then show you guys, what they are. So we're gonna start with the Saltair Black Tide Skin Hydrating Serum Body Wash. So of course you can see two. I think I bought them at the same time. I can't remember. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm actually really mad because I got these at Target, but they don't carry this specific Black Tide anymore at Target. So I have to buy it on Amazon because I thought maybe they discontinued it. Smells so good. Like, I really like sweet, like smoky type of scents, like feminine and masculine, like it kind of be unisex, and this is, yeah, it's really good. It says that it's Brazilian nut oil, squalene. I love squalene. You'll see that in another product that I have here. Andaraba oil and micrology. I'm scrambling, but 10 out of 10 recommend. Very good empty. I will be buying again. This is the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops, the Watermelon Glow ones. I'm out of this, which was crazy to me because I felt like I had just bought it. I hadn't just bought this. I 100% am going to go get a re-up on this. This is like so good. So why I love squalene and why I love this and a lot of products that you'll see, especially skin or body care, I have drier skin. So this is just so good. So like if you cleanse, put on a toner, you could put this on before your moisturizer, and it's such a good product, especially if you have dry skin. It just instantly like gives me a really moisturizing, hydrating glow, and it also brightens. And so that's the niacinamide in it. 10 out of 10. We'll be buying again. This is The Ordinary. Now, if you are doing skincare and you want to get skincare that's the cheapest, affordable, yet is going to give you the best for your money, The Ordinary is the best brand for that. When I was doing more affordable, like everything affordable, I actually have a lot of The Ordinary stuff. So I used to do their moisturizer as well, which is great for just like a standard moisturizer, but I don't use that anymore. Now I use the Youth to the People Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream, kale and spinach with hyaluronic acid. 10 out of 10. Okay, that is my favorite moisturizer today. So I no longer use the moisturizer that is like paired with this, but this squalene cleanser, so freaking good. It's great for dry skin. It does not foam or like suds. It is like think of like, it gets milky. And so it's just really good for dry skin. I love it. This is like my third bottle of it. I wasn't going to get another one of it because I've been using the CeraVe Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser, but I actually don't like this. I actually still prefer this. So definitely gonna re-up on this. I give this like an 8.5, 9 out of 10. Just because it is a cheaper product and I don't like the way that it comes out like when you get to the bottom. But I love the product itself and highly recommend it, especially like I said, for people with dry skin. This Neutrogena Beach Defense Water and Sun Protection Sunscreen Stick in 50 plus spectrum. I didn't even finish this. It is a like 3 out of 10. I like the fact that it was in something that I could just literally put on my face, and like I feel like sanitation wise it's really good, but like now this yeah, you can obviously see I was trying to get every last drop. If you're wondering what it is, the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Obviously I did re-up on this. Love this stuff. When I was looking for a mask that I didn't need to like cleanse, I was actually like, what happened to what's the name of it? Glow Recipe? What happened to the Glow Recipe in the mask, like the mud mask? Like I went to Sephora looking for them, they weren't anywhere to be found. So when I was looking for masks, I ended up coming across this, and I thought it doesn't wash away, so that's a 10 out of 10. It is a thick mask. And it really is perfect for hydrating the skin and everything. So I really do enjoy it. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. I really do love this stuff, but I did decide to go back to my Morphe setting spray, but I did get, you know, pretty much all of this out. I really liked it. I really love the primer and the setting spray combination. It's great also for, like, it's hydrating. So like I said, with dry skin, we're gonna have all the hydrating stuff. And then last but not least, the good old Arm & Hammer. This is the Advanced White Stain Defense Clean Mint Toothpaste. If you're looking for something to keep your teeth white, Arm & Hammer is the way to go. Actually, it's a twin pack, so I already have the re-up of it over here, but just wanted to give that recommendation. If you are looking for a whitening toothpaste that is not going to ruin your enamel and is more natural, this is Arm & Hammer's. It has baking soda in it. I actually have one last one. It's not quite empty, but it's literally on its last drop. Or actually, I lied. I think I don't have any more left. This is my Sephora collection vitamin C. Come on, focus. The vitamin C and E oil. Super glow serum. 10 out of 10. Run. If you have dry skin, run. Very much so like the Dewdrop Niacinamide glow recipe. So after you cleanse, what I do is I put on the Fenty Skin Moisturizing Hydrating Milky Toner Fat Water. So I'll cleanse, put that on because it really does help to hydrate and tone well. And then I'll switch them out. Sometimes I'll double up, but most of the time I don't. I'll switch out. This is just a really good everyday hydrating serum oil. It really does make a difference. Like my skin, I've been using this for years now. I want to say like 2 years now, and it really does make a difference. That's all for the empties for today. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, there is my empties. Bye guys.